These are going to be the elevators at the 3rd and Stewart garage, Seattle. We got some Westies that were modded.
The middle car is the terrible one. This one runs okay, but the middle one has got some serious issues.
You hear something thump as you...
It's tripping every single interlock, I think.
Yeah, it seems like it. It is with every floor.
Alright, let's be quiet and listen to that.
Westy does what it wants.
I'm thinking the controller's the controller's definitely replaced, but once a Westy, always a Westy.
Listen.
Yeah, that does not sound good. Alright, let's go back up and we'll...
Classic levels, too.
Yeah, but judging by the new enunciator as well as how the numbers change, I'm thinking this is a full mod, at least to the controller.
Yeah. I think these are on the original machines, though.
Sounds... that makes sense. We'll send this one down and try to get the middle one.
That's the middle one.
Seems like they all make their own weird noises.
Excuse me.
I think this one's broken because it said no comm, which I think it means like no communication on the lobby.
I'm thinking these were probably pop-out originally, either that or AE or Black Button, but I think these were Selectomatic originally,
Definitely guess Selectomatic.
so probably pop-out. See which one ends up coming.
It's gonna be this one.
Well, it's either going to be that one or the same one. I hear that one going now.
I think it's gonna be the middle one. Let's give it a try. They don't try anymore. First off, notice the ceiling panel.
What on earth?
I would
Jeez.
stand over there.
And also notice how the doors aren't fully open either.
Westies like to do that. Oh, that,
Okay,
that's
I've
beautiful.
seen-
Be quiet, be quiet.
Yeah, this
It
does
sounds
not
like the
sound
counterweight
good.
has a bad guy to wheel.
That's probably the case.
I'd say go to roof and then. Oh, still has the chime down here.
What, you want to transfer again, or do you just...
No, I'd say just go all the way up so you can hear it.
Okay, and then we'll just end on the lobby.
Yeah. You know, these actually used to be pretty cool back before Macy's closed, and ever since Macy's closed, these have just gotten so neglected.
I guess that makes sense. I mean, that does tend to happen when there's a change in ownership. I would think Macy's probably owned this garage.
No, they never did. They just
they
allowed.
did.
They just had a partnership, So
Okay.
where like customers can park in here and get a deal on parking, I think.
So they were helping subsidize the garage then.
Still,
Yeah.
it's interesting though that they would go downhill after Macy's goes away, because Macy's elevators
notice
are.
this one says no communication.
Yeah, we'll see that.
Oh, it says the Bon Marché up there still.
That is interesting.
Yeah, it still says the Bon Marché on there.
Yeah, this definitely is a former Selectomatic. All right, well, that'll be it.